Today I'm going to turn a little Bradford Pear natural edge bowl. It's about 5 inches across, 5.5 thereabouts. It was cut at such a time that I think I should be able to keep the bark on it. We're going to find out. Now that's my goal, is to try to keep the bark on. It's got some pretty figure in it, so let's get to the lathe and see what we can do. I've got it pretty much centered up. This comes in, the top of this comes in about right. The bottom I'm going to flatten off and cut a mortise in it. It's got some really pretty, this is white paint. I treated the ends when I split it with white paint and the surface. It's got a few small checks. I checked the moisture level with my moisture meter. I've had this a little over a year, and it's been sitting in here in the shop drying. So I'm gonna turn it down and we'll see if we get much movement. Round it out first. I've got this between centers, it's on a safety center. Sharpen this up real quick. That's pretty. My FC4 is tied up and I don't want to change jaws right now, so I'm going to leave the tailstock up just because. I don't know how far in those checks go. I may try to take some more of that out. But right now, I'm going to go secure the outer layer of this bark because I don't want to just leave the brown behind. I want some of this gray left on here. So when I get that done, I'll come back. Sounds dope. Yeehaw! Yeah, I've got it glued to a waste block. That should hold it. I never did find that piece of bark that I knocked off, and I tried to patch it, but that doesn't look good either. Really don't like this. I don't like it at all. I'm going to try one more thing to build this back up and try to stain it so that it looks right. If that doesn't work, then I'll just take my little air saw and I'll cut all of this bark off and we'll faux natural edge it. That's just to give that little bit of tooth for me to glue the bark back on, if this works. Well, it might work. I'm doing my best to try to save this bark. I might not can. It's too late. Not too late. I just don't think it's going to work. I tried. So, if I can't save all of it, I don't save any of it. I started to saw that off, but I thought, no, this will look better. Let me show you why. Run with the direction of the bark grain. Now it looks like bark. I fill those best I can. Well, not really the best I can, but with the staining from the CA, it's just really not going to make it look any better if I keep going. Looks pretty good, all things considered. So now, that's pretty. Now for an extra protection, I like Howard's because it gives it protection, but it also gives it a natural wood luster. It shines it up just enough. The polish and restoring compound gives it a little bit of shine, and we'll put this on top of it to accent it a little, or to protect it. And I'll let that sit on there for 20 minutes or so, and then I'll buff it off. And then I will part this off and turn it around on a jam chuck and cut the bottom. That is pretty. Oh, that one's stuck on there pretty good. And see, that's not bad. I can take that off. Man, I love this little random orbit sander. Now, I'll burn my logo, hit it with some Howard's Feed and Wax, and we can call this one done. Here's this little natural edge Bradford pear done. It's about 4 inches across, thereabouts, probably 2 inches high, 2 1/4 maybe. Some really pretty figure. I really like Bradford pear, it's nice. I wish I hadn't lost the bark on it, but that kind of looks like bark. So got part of my logo burned in the bottom. I thought I had this flat and wide enough. I was just shy of being wide enough. Otherwise, I think it might have worked. So thanks for watching again, folks. I really appreciate it. Honest, I really do. Without my viewers and subscribers, there'd be no point in doing this any longer because I've got enough out there for my grandkids. Please like, share, or dislike if you don't like it. You don't tell me why. I've got thick skin, and I'm always trying to learn, always willing to learn. Even though I've been doing this for many years, I still learn. So, there's that. Don't forget to check out my sponsors. And if you feel like helping us out, there's a number of ways you can do that. Again, not obligatory. It's just for you if you wish. One way is my Amazon affiliate account. Link in the description below. Click on that. Anything you buy from Amazon after going to that link, I get a small percentage of. Doesn't cost you anymore. And it helps us out. Every little penny helps here. You can use my PayPal me link down in the description. You can go to my website right here and buy swag, t-shirts, caps, coffee mugs. I think there's stickers on there too, but the shipping on those things is ridiculous, unless it's coupled with something else. And you can also buy many of my turnings, like this little bowl will probably be on there, and a lot of my other turnings and pins and whatnot. And again, the old fat man rambles. Thanks for watching. Be safe. I can't say it enough. Enjoy life. Really, enjoy life. Life's too short to go around in the mully grubs. And y'all come back.